Oh, Tom's back here too. He's being generous enough to help me out. We're gonna re-rig the boat today. We're gonna add a jack plate, a 4-inch jack plate, and move my batteries from my rear fish box up into my center console to get a little bit more even weight distribution. So right now we're just de-rigging everything. I forgot to do this before we started, but I'm getting all this taken off here. Tom's working up there. He's got all that crap done. And then we're gonna have to pull some wire up into the front. So stay tuned. Be back with you guys in a few. We're doing a dry run, seeing where we want to mount the jack plate. We just got our 2 bolts in. Alright. So I'm thinking pretty much flush with that. We got to make sure that our steering, sorry about the noise, we got helis. We just want to make sure our steering doesn't run into here or anything here. So we got this jack plate installed. Sorry, my GoPro died and we ran into some other issues. But yeah, I don't think we got enough room to run it through there, Thomas. We're trying to run our jack plate wires through here so we can run it to the rigging tube so it makes it real nice and clean. So yeah, that's our next step. But jack plate is installed. That's not even all the way up. I still got about 6 inches to go. Basically, I'll be able to run in about idle around in about 18 inches. Which is about what this boat grabs. Yeah, you can grab it and hit the floor. got Thomas in here pulling the rest of that wire through. So this is the old factory loom right here. We pulled out. So all this, we got our fish tape ran here. Actually, our mule tape. We got new wire here. So slowly but surely, it's coming along, guys. Bilge is a mess, I know.